Morning. Checking in from one of my secret places out in the woods that I love to be in. Man wasn't meant to suffer. We weren't meant to live in fear and animosity towards one another. We were meant to live in harmony with everything around us, not just each other. We've become so loud. We've become so chaotic, so vain, so meaningless. We've become so pointless. Our ancestors did so much for us to live in a world where we could have freedom and our every need and desire would be given to us. The things on this planet, the nature, the sun, the clouds, the trees, that is what is bountiful. That is what gives us our life. They coexist with us. Yet most of us give it no attention. And we walk around half dead and don't realize it. We walk around asleep and we're satisfied with that. When there's so much more vitality to life, there's so much more abundance to life, there's so much more to love. There's so much more. A lot of you out there are hurt. A lot of you out there are walking around with a malfunctioning heart, or a dead heart, or a numb heart, and unbalanced chakras and blocked chakras, and wonder why you can't find peace or you can't find what you're searching for. But the places that you search for, it will never be there. It's healing in the silence. It's healing in listening to Mother Earth speak to you. There's a lot of answers there. There's a lot of healing there. He who owns his breath owns his peace. Our breath gives us life in more ways than you can imagine. And a lot of you don't breathe. You can look out and you can see the divide. You can see the divide clear as day now. The ones that are growing, the ones that are evolving, the ones that are becoming, and the ones that are not, the ones that are asleep, the ones that are drunken, the ones that are dead. You can see the divide clear as day now. And I try not to have an emotional connection, but it breaks my heart. Because I know that it doesn't have to be that way. I know that it is a choice that they're making, and some are making it in ignorance. Some are making it in a pure fact that maybe they don't know. But there's healing in the silence. There's answers in the silence. I want to call forth energy from Mother Nature, from the nature around me. And I want to pass it through to you. So I want you to imagine, close your eyes if you will, and imagine a crystalline light coming down from the sky above to the top of your head. And I'm going to pass energy from me into you to heal your heart. The ancestors are around me. They will help with this. All you need to do is allow. Take a deep breath. I lovingly pass divine energy through me into you for your healing. I ask that the ancestors assist me in passing this energy so that the veil may be lifted around your eyes, so that you may see what is truth in your life, so you may see what is real, so that you can begin to distinguish reality from illusion. Reality with a capital R, the real reality. I pass energy from nature into your heart so that it may unblock and clean the tar that has enveloped that beautiful organ, that beautiful chakra, so that you may be set free. Imagine a crystal light around the center of your chest. Bright white crystal light pulsating in the center of your chest. This is divine healing. Allow. You don't need to do anything besides allow. Take a deep breath. Allow this energy to encompass your whole body, your entire being. Relax. You are safe. Relax. It is done. To the spirit of confusion, leave. The spirit of hatred, I release you from these people. The spirit of divide and separatedness. There's no space for you anymore. Go back to your Creator. Go back to the divine source where you will find unity, where you will find love beyond measure, where you will find healing and light. Because where the light exists, darkness cannot. And we do understand that where darkness is, light will prevail. It is done. So that's my message I have for today. I woke up this morning with an impulse to drive out here, to sit in the nature, and to draw upon her, to give to you all. I see so many people that are hurting, that are ready to give up, that just don't know what to do, that just have run out of options. I'm here to tell you, just hang on. Keep going. Seek, and ye shall find. Seekers become finders. Ask, and you will be answered. Sit in the silence, and you will hear what it is your soul is calling for, is yearning for. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in your power. You are divine. It is your inherent nature to live in your power. Don't forget that. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Peace.